What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video I have another update from my project home that I have been working on. As many of you know that have been following me, I have been working on a project home for quite some time. It was a completely brand new home that I have helped design and decorate from start to finish. We are about 2/3 of the way through now, and I wanted to show you guys some amazing new updates, some furniture, some decor, some accessories, some organization, a little bit of everything. So many rooms have been completed and are coming together, and I wanted to share them with you guys so that if you are building a house, redecorating your house, reorganizing your house, it can help facilitate that and give you guys some new ideas and invigorate that creative spirit to make your home yours and make it beautiful. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you are interested in seeing this project home update video, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, we are starting in the morning room, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update. It is about to start pouring, so if you hear the thunder, that's what it is. So this fiddle leaf tree, I did a little DIY on and added some moss inside. I will insert a video to show you what that looks like. It's a super easy process. It was actually a little bit creative with how I filled it up because I don't always have enough tissue paper, especially with something bigger like this, so a little bit creative in how I was able to do that. So you can see that clip, and I will insert it after I go through this room. But I just used I always use two different kinds of moss, one bag of just this light green moss and then another one of mixed, and I always see the mixed one at Home Goods. It's got this more regular outdoor moss, these, I don't even know what that is, and then the darker green moss. So I just kind of mix the two together, and this is my favorite combination, so I love that that gave it a little bit of character. Moving into the room, you guys have seen this table and you've seen this centerpiece that I love that I've done with the same exact combination of moss, and it was actually a DIY that I painted this as well. And then this is the new piece that we absolutely love. It is super nice and rustic, but it has a little bit of clear pane glass in the front. So we just put the dishes that aren't used very often, more of the holiday dishes in there. And I really love it because it's got some really nice rustic black hardware on it as well. It is very tall and very thin, so it's not very deep, but it is perfect for this space because, oh my gosh, here comes the rain. Because we really did need the height on this wall. As far as window treatments go, they decided to opt for not doing paneled curtains, but just trimming out the windows with woodwork. So we're going to take some wood, trim out the windows, give them a nice frame, and not have formal panel curtains. I also love this light that we installed. It is super affordable from Amazon. I'll link it below for you guys, but really nice. And let me see if I can turn it on. And those bright lights, those are, I believe, LED light bulbs, but it gives a really nice warmth because it is that dark black color, but it's completely hollow, no glass or anything inside. So I really like the way that it looks in the room. Again, super affordable and really completes the look of everything. And of course, you know, I had to throw in the little pop of black. And then in here, there is going to be some dried status that is on order for that. And then the last thing, other than the wood frame around the windows, will be a rug, which I am still on the hunt for. But definitely something in the gray beige family to kind of warm it up and bring it all together. Especially if you're not going to have window treatments, you definitely need a really big oversized rug to kind of bring everything together. As far as kitchen updates, there aren't a ton other than I wanted to show you guys this beautiful hardware. I know I believe I briefly went over this last time, but this was a really big decision, just doing something minimalistic. But I love the way that it looks and turned out on these cabinets, and then just doing the matching pulls on the drawers. So if you are looking for something to bring in a little pop of black, but something minimalistic, then I definitely will link these below for you guys, because it brings in that pop of black but does not overwhelm the cabinets, especially, you know, having the all white cabinets. I wanted to make sure that it wasn't too overwhelming. So these are super affordable and really nice and sturdy, so I will link these below for you guys. Not a ton of updates in the living room, but I did want to show you guys a little update, and it is this basket. I'm sure you've seen it in my recent home goods haul. It is the most beautiful color of wicker I have ever seen. It's oversized. It is by the brand Tommy Bahama, and it is only 29 bucks. They have them in, I believe, 3 different sizes. So if you're looking for something like that to store blankets in, or pillows in your bedroom, anything like that, definitely check them out. As you can see, we've added, I think, a couple of more pillows, nothing crazy, but these, in case you are curious, are from Target. I believe these are the Studio McGee, and then these are the Threshold. They come in a couple of different colors as well. And other than that, I believe the pillows are the only other addition to this room. So this room is really coming together. The only other thing we are waiting on is the console, which is going to be here this weekend. This next room is just the downstairs powder room, but I really love the way that it turned out. I wanted to show you guys this wall that we did. There was a little bit of inspiration from Pinterest that went into this, but I really love the way that it turned out. So the exact same pre-existing paint color that was on the wall, and just painted over top of the wood, filled it in, and really gave it a really nice look. I love the colors, accent colors that we chose for this room. This is one of my favorite accent rugs from Target. It is the Threshold Studio McGee, and it's just a regular accent rug. I will link it below for you guys, but I have seen it online, and seeing it in person, it really is just the most beautiful ashy gray brown with a little bit of bone in it, and I think it complements everything in here really well. Definitely did these brown accents as well from, those are also from Target, and then added in just a hook for the hand towel, and of course a little soap dispenser. I'm not sure futuristically what they want to do, because this is very simple and builder grade, but that is why I wanted to at least add this beautiful accent wall, so it gives it a little bit of extra spunk. And here we are in the master bedroom, so still some adjustments to be made, but we are making progress because we now have a bedroom set. So as you can see here, they have the nightstands and the bed, as well as the bench and the dresser are all from City Furniture. We got the lamps from Home Goods, and the bedding is my favorite from Castellina at Target. I am switching this out for the lighter nude color one, because I think this one ended up being a little bit too dark, but I love this bedding. It is the softest, most beautiful texture. And then as far as the picture goes, I think we are gonna hang it on this wall with this accent chair, and then over here, we are going to put a huge leaning mirror. So the leaning mirror is going to go here, and then we are going to change this out for the TV downstairs, so it will be more fitting for that space. And then we're going to hang the picture there, and then we'll have the lighter coverlet. So as you can see, you get the idea of how everything will come together. But I love this bed. It is super neutral, very affordable, and very, very sturdy. The accents on this are magnificent. It is a thicker tweed, a gray tweed, and then it's got these nail heads on it, and it really is a super versatile bed. I also love that these nightstands are two-tone, so you have the lighter color wood on the top and then the dark brown gray shelf at the bottom, and they do have doors that open and these really big massive handles. So lots of color and dimension and texture as well, especially with these beautiful lamps that were super duper affordable from Home Goods. You guys, guys cannot miss out on a good home goods run because you never know what you're gonna find. And for the guest bathroom upstairs, we have made a ton of progress in here. I absolutely am loving the way that it's turning out. I know I showed this to you last time. This was just an original vessel that they had. Threw some greenery in there, and then on this wall we added some hooks and some white towels just for some added texture. And then I found this amazing bench. This is my most favorite. I have the small version. This is the big version. We're gonna do a big towel and loofah or something on there, but I love the size and the shape of that. I will link it below for you guys. I also love this carpet. It is super thin and very affordable from TJ Maxx. We also carried through the hardware using the exact same kind for this bathroom, and then these amazing shelves from Target, super duper affordable. They are by the brand Threshold, and they are this beautiful natural wood. It's got a little bit of a distress in it, and then also carried through those same rattan accents from that downstairs bathroom up to this bathroom, and then threw in a couple of pieces of black. As you can see, the black hooks as well as the shower curtain rod, just for a little bit of dimension and depth to this beautiful bright white bathroom. So definitely loving the way that this is turning out, and I'm super excited to continue finishing up this house. All right, you guys, that is going to wrap up this project home update. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I will link everything that I can in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.